What's going on, guys? So today is day 2. Today is Sunday. It's about like 9 o'clock in the morning right now. We're gonna finish up working on the car. Hopefully we get to put everything back together today. Well, I'm pretty sure we should. In like an hour we should be done with putting everything together, and hopefully she turns on and everything's fine. So that's right here. We had a crazy rainstorm yesterday. It was raining like super crazy yesterday, but I'm no longer gonna be leaving my car back there. Back there is where all the birds take poops and all that stuff at. So I'm just gonna leave my car here where it's more safer and it's better, and I can still park, you know, I still have space to park the other car. So usually the Jeep is more back here and the Sentra's in the front, which doesn't really matter. So and I still have more space to move this back. Here, you know, bird poop there a little bit, but this is gonna be his new spot until we end up building something here. Alright, so everything is off. Got the valve cover gasket on. Put it on and start buttoning everything back up.
Never thought that we'd go this far. Don't stop now. Reaching for a distant star. Don't stop now. Isn't it strange how we're safe and home? So that I count in days until the second glow. If you're gonna make a change, you have to let me know. Turn the shit around, start at top of yours. It's all you need to do.
Alright, so just finished putting on the valve cover, spark plugs and everything. So I gotta put this stupid manifold. Look at this. We could have had all this room to put the manifold, but it goes from here all the way back there. So weird. Alright, manifold's on. So now I'm gonna put on the throttle body, and I think that's all. We'll crank it up and see if it turns on, hopefully. Alright, everything's plugged in. Turn it on and see. Alright, fix this mess. Big mess in here. Moment of truth. Still gonna have a check engine light because I broke my catalytic converter because it was clogged. So. Here we go. Alright, so we got the car to start. It wasn't starting because my dad said he forgot. He cleaned around the spark plugs. It had a whole bunch of oil, so he cleaned it with brake cleaner, and he forgot. That's why it wasn't started, because it had brake cleaner on the inside, so it wasn't letting it burn off. And as you guys can see, all of the brake cleaner right now is burning out. Well, all of the parts cleaner is got inside the cylinder, so now it's burning it out. That's why it's so white. It's basically like doing engine flush with that whatever you call that shit, the sea foam. It's like the same exact thing. Gotta burn all that out now. But as you guys see, it's perfectly on. Good to go. Well, we thought we fixed it, and it has like a really bad vacuum leak, and we don't know exactly where it's coming from. We've checked over everything, and it's still doing it. You guys can see, look at this. That's what it does. Up and down, up and down, up and down. We are completely lost. Alright, so we found out that it's it's not the evap canister, which is in the back where the gas tank is. That's not that one. The only one we disconnected was evap surge or solenoid, whatever. That's the only one we disconnected because of we needed to disconnect it to take off the manifold off. I know this happened to my brother before, and then out of nowhere it just went away because it's electronic. So we're gonna drive the car around and see if it goes away. That code came up. Right now when we put it in drive, it's fine. Don't mind the check engine light. Check engine light is because of my I don't have a my O2's messed up, and I took off the catalytic converter because it was clogged. And we're gonna go get gas, drive it around, and since it's electronic, hopefully it'll I guess I don't know, set by itself. So I don't know, let's see. Well, so we drove the car drives perfectly fine, but once we put it in park, it starts idling real high, and we found out, I looked it up online, so I just ordered it right now. So it says it's like a solenoid that stays open for like the evap of the gas, something like that, so it creates like a vacuum leak. So yeah, I just ordered that right now. The car is good to go, it drives perfectly fine, just idles a little bit high when I'm driving in, when it's on drive and it was on park, but hey, I'll deal with it. I'm gonna take it to work tomorrow. The car is perfectly good, makes no more noises, so we're good to go. Quick thing I'm gonna do is, since it's a solenoid and it stays open, say this is the evap solenoid system or whatever, so it's just one hose here and then it goes into there. So I'm gonna take it off from here, and then I'm just gonna cover that hole with my finger, and hopefully the vacuum should stop. So hopefully, let's see. Yo, what's going on, guys? So I know the vlogs have been slowing down a little bit, yeah, it's because it's wintertime. I told you guys in the wintertime I could barely do anything because when I get out of work, it's already nighttime, and I've been working crazy right now. I'm working. I got the piece that I think is the piece that came up on the code for the Central, which I'm driving right now. So I'm probably gonna replace this while working real quick. It should take about like 2 minutes, but right now I'm like loaded in my car, as you guys can see. But I was gonna try to do this the vlogmas as everybody's doing every day or every other day, and I don't know, I will try, but I don't know if you guys want to just hear me talking or a lot of more car stuff. I'm not too sure, but I know I also want to make a video of stuff that I got planned for the car, which is just like little minor stuff here and there, which is like I already ordered the Recaro interior fabric. So I gotta wait for that to come in, but that's gonna come in like a month because that is coming in from like, I think from like Japan or Hong Kong, I don't even know. But I ordered that, and yeah, I'm gonna wrap the entire, like the door panels and the center console. Then I gotta order the shift boot for my car and stuff like that. But those are just stuff that I'm gonna make another video for. I'm gonna explain to you guys everything I'm gonna do. But I'm sorry for the lack of videos. It's been really hectic with work, and then when I get out, it's already nighttime and it's super cold. It'd be about like 30 degrees and stuff like that at nighttime, so I can't really do much right now. It's 44, so it's not bad, but it's still cold. But I'm gonna try real quick to put on this piece, and hopefully the car gets fixed. So this is the part right here that I have to replace. Now that I think about it, I don't even have clamps for this. Oh, but I gotta take it out with my hand, so it's fine. Yeah, so this is the part that I have to replace right here that I have in the car. So I'm gonna go take it out and put it on, and hopefully the issue gets fixed. I'm working right now, so I'm gonna try to do this real quick because I'm really backed up with work. But I'm trying to make this video so I can put it out for you guys. So here's a new one, same thing, hopefully. So let's see. Holes don't line up that perfect, but Let's see if we can make it work. Maybe the bottom one. The bottom one will work. Just to see if it works. Nope, still didn't work. So yeah, have no idea what it is then. Just changed it for a new one. And it's still doing the same thing. Yeah, so there goes that. I have no idea what it could be now. So Saturday, I guess I'm just gonna, I don't know if I'm gonna do it maybe Saturday or maybe the week after or whatever. The car still drives. It's just when I put it into park, it just like vroom, vroom. I know I cleaned the throttle body with parts cleaner, so maybe when I did that, maybe something got messed up on the inside. I'm not sure. The throttle body is an electric throttle body, so maybe something got messed up in it. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna do that probably another day. I'm not really too concerned about it because the car still drives. What I am concerned about is that when I drive the car now, ever since we put everything back, for some reason, when I give the car like real light brake pressure, it's like a tucka, like a noise like that, like if something is touching. So Saturday in the morning, my dad's gonna come over. We're gonna jack up the car. I'm gonna get in it, or he's gonna get in it, whichever one, and then I'm gonna just, you know, let it roll like we're driving on the street, and I'm gonna give it a real light brake pressure and see where the noise is coming from, to see if maybe the bolt is loose or something, so we can fix this. And then I'll probably just make I'm most likely gonna make a vlog on Saturday. I'm not too sure because I don't really have anything planned right now. Most likely gonna make a vlog on Saturday about something. Probably meet up with Julio. He cut up his car, his race car. He cut it into like a couple pieces because the car is completely messed up and he needs to get rid of it. So he just cut it up and he cut it into pieces. Those are my plans for hopefully this week, and give you guys a vlog, because I know I've been really slacking on vlogs. Like I'll admit it, I've been slacking a lot on vlogs, but it's not my fault. It's just because it's been winter time and there's not much you can really do, and the summertime is hot. You can always work on your car. More daytime, you know, there's a lot of car shows and stuff like that. And for those of you who've been asking me about Honda Day, I'm not going back to Maryland. Maryland is way too far. I don't remember how long it said, how far it was, but I know there's one in like New Hampshire, which is like 4.5 hours away. And I'm not too sure if I'm gonna do that one either. I don't think so. Those drives be turning from 4.5 hours to like 6 hours, and I'm not trying to drive that long for a car show, so I don't know. Let's see.